If you're looking for an energy efficient home, this is the builder. And I'll tell you right now, if you haven't heard of E-Town, you want to check this place out here in Jacksonville. Welcome to E-Town here in Jacksonville. And we're about to take a tour of the Jackson model by Providence Homes. As you notice here on the right side of this home, you have two doors to the current model home office. This would be replaced with your two-car garage. By the way, if you love these videos, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and press the alerts button. The Jackson model, just under 2,200 square feet. As you enter the home, to the right is your entrance from your two-car garage, a little mudroom area, and in this model it's a bonus room, but most people build it as a fourth bedroom and enclose it for that privacy of your guests. A nice sized room up here. Plenty of windows for natural light. It's got its own bathroom with the shower tub combo. Love that herringbone tile pattern. And then nice size walk-in closet for a guest room anyway. And then underneath here, what Providence Home is known for is their energy efficient homes. The attics are all spray foamed insulated, and they get that Energy Star rating by a third party. And I can tell you, not just by word of mouth, but from experience, since I have a Providence home, you save significantly on your electric bill, especially in the summertime when it gets really warm here in Northeast Florida. So this bonus room, most of them are built with it as a fourth bedroom. So it adds about 400 or 500 square foot to the house, which makes it over 2,100 square foot, and it's costs about $38,000 to $40,000 at the time of filming this, and it's very well worth the additional square footage. It's a no-brainer. So as we go down this hallway, we'll go ahead and visit the first bedroom. It's got a single window, double door closet, bedroom number 2 right next door. Again, another double door closet, single window. Outside those bedrooms is a linen closet. Your shared bath with the subway tile and your shower tub combo. And then across from the bathroom is your laundry room with its own sink, and again, double cabinets. This window is an upgrade, but it's beautiful. It's well worth it. These are the kind of things with the natural light and windows make the home feel really spacious. So as we go into the main part of the house, nice sized kitchen, plenty of cabinet space, a pantry as well, and a decent sized island right next to your dining room. And then off by itself in the corner is the primary. In this model, there's definitely an upgrade. Having these bay windows adds a little extra space. It certainly makes it feel a lot bigger. And in the primary bath, standalone tub with the window above it. Double vanities separated with WC in the middle, and a shower. And then again, for this size home, this is a pretty nice size primary closet. Love these large tiles, gorgeous. And this is the Jackson. We'll go ahead and take a quick gander of the outside. I always recommend it is an upgrade, extending your patio out like this with pavers. And you're gonna wanna add a screen enclosure just for summer months when it gets a little buggy. Of course, this gorgeous outdoor kitchen is an upgrade. In Northeast Florida, you're gonna wanna spend a lot of time outside enjoying this amazing Florida weather. And this is the back of the Jackson. Again, I appreciate you watching these videos. If you're enjoying them, it really helps me a lot for you to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and the alerts bell for future videos. Try to push them out every week for you. Because when you're looking at these homes in person, you look at so many of them, you forget what each model floor plan is like. So it's great to be able just to refer back to them. And if you're in the Jacksonville area, I'd love to be your real estate professional choice. It costs you nothing, especially when you're building a new home, to have someone advocate on your behalf that deals with new construction every day. Thanks for watching, and stick around. I'm about to show you a few more homes by Providence here in E-Town. Fantastic location for Jacksonville, so don't miss it. Check it out.